I'm speaking to this guy here. He's about to tell us what's going on here. Yeah? Yes, tell them. Bachelor America, what's going on? Yes. What's going on here?
There is a problem.
There is a problem.
There is a problem.
Tell the Americans.
It's too nice to be here.
Yes.
It's too nice to be here.
It's nice to be here.
Yes, yes.
Very good, my boy. Lofuna kusho ukuthi zenjani lesho abatshele America. Serious ngibambe. Ngabale babatshele America ukuthi how do you feel today? Abatshele. Yebo. Awukhulume neAmerica ku live lo. Awatshele ukuthi ucabanga uthini ngale show.
Ugabi! Ugabi!
Egapiwa!
Ugabi! Zakipa!
Zakipa!
It is skipping!
So what they are saying is that it's very nice here and it's December time, the vibes are grooving. And what does this guy have to say? Hello, America!
Yes. It is skipping.
Yeah.
Skipping is too nice.
Yes.
It is December now.
Yes.
It's nice to see you, my friend.
Yes.
Sharp.
In America, okay. Hey guys, kukhona into engafuna kusho eAmerica mayelana neshow lambelebele. Hambe njani? Ngani wami? Uthini ngale show? What do you say about this show? The Americans want to know. You see, these guys, they don't like to speak to outsiders, you see, so I'm trying my best to find out what's going on here. Say hi to the Americans. Say hi, America.
Hi, America.
Japan. China. Germany. Yes, South Africa. Especially the Botswana.
Yes. How
Thank you very much.
guys?
These guys are very happy to be here. And it's happening.
We love
and
you
we
guys.
hope that one day they will manage to come to America and perform there.
Happy Christmas.
Okay. Thank you very much, girls. My friend, tell them in America ukuthi utiva unjani ngale show. And now I'm talking to Mesuli Hlanze in Swaziland, and he's been performing here. You'll see him on the videos. And now
ngitizwa ngimnandi neliva alikho betibuya Christmas sitokubekana this year 70
and next year we'll have a big band. The Freedom Express band will be here and we'll have a great sound.
Yes.
Thank you. This guy was performing.
Yes.
And the thing is, they look one and the same. These guys in American look. You see, I was speaking to the other guy, and this guy also looks just like the other guy. What do you say about the show?
The show is very nice and very fascinating to everyone.
And I saw you gave a very nice performance.
Thanks.
Tell them that one day you might come to America and perform there.
Yes, one day we will come to America and perform and show our skill of music.
And we need the support also that.
Yes, we need to support Americans to promote our music and give us more more.
I would like you to put this guy, Mr. Scott. Let me talk to you now, Roberto Lapo, Puerto Rico. I want you to put these guys on Spotify.
Yes.
I will put these videos and I will put all the songs, cleaner songs underneath, and I want you to promote them to Spotify, put them on 1010 in China, everywhere where Freedom Express is. Belgium, Haiti, Jamaica, Trenchtown. Me, I'm cool, man. I'm in Swaziland now and I'm trying to figure out what's going on in here. And we've been performing Swazi music and all that, but we didn't perform any reggae. But next time we'll have some what do they call it, this reggae style, dancehall style. You see, man, me, I'm cool, man, and we hope that next time it will be a great thing for us to do.
Yes, thanks American support us our music in Swaziland. You will give me more songs.
Yeah.
Enjoy your days.
Thank you very much, my friend. Yeah. Yebo madam, uve kunjani? Emzala khuluma neMamerika mana. Afuna ukubona. Buya phela. Nkosi yami nebakithi. My friend. Bekunjani la? Azwakala brother, uphefomile nawe ngine video yakho la. This guy also performed. I want him to say what did he feel?
I'm also happy to performing at Mbelebeleni.
Yes.
Also want to tell you that the new song that we remix it is taking the year of 2025.
Yes,
I'm
by
happy,
storm.
I'm happy about that song. So go to subscribe that song, guys.
I'm very happy to be part of these people because I'm also part of, I was one of the teachers during when they were learning how to play. And now they are big stars. And I hope that you'll support. They've got a channel on YouTube. And you can go there. The channel is... sorry, it's a channel on YouTube. The name of the channel. What's it saying? The channel lega YouTube, what's it saying? Nene, icon channel lega YouTube. Celebrate. Okay. The channel is Celebrate. Please go down there. You like, you comment, and you promote and you support.
Yes, even in Facebook, we are available in Facebook. Right? Yes. Celebrate, you will find me there.
Yes, and I want you to put them on Spotify so that they will make them bitcoins. Thank you, my friend. It's Celebrate. It's called Celebrate. Phela ngende my interviews la. Shem, ngisacela uku-interview. Please, my friend.
Hello.
My friend, can I interview you?
Yes,
Yes. The Americans would like to know what has been going on.
I'm here, guys. To celebrate Happy Christmas. I'm here. I like you.
Yes, the Americans.
I like you, Americans, to be happy with Happy Christmas.
Yeah.
I'm here for you.
Otherwise, the show was nice.
Yes. The show was so cute. It was so cute. Yes.
Yes, thank you. Brother, do you want to say anything to the Americans about the show Vehende? Please, Noma Swat, Noma Ine, I will. Okay, so you were not there. My friend, uthini America ubatshele mfana wami ukuthi beyizani ishow.
Sibonga uNkulunkulu usigcine sipheke khisimusi lelanga lelikhulu lanamuhla. Siyabonga ukuthi ukuze usigcinile phela namuhla. Siyabonga.
Okay. Thank you. I'm still looking for someone else to say something. Khona lofuna kusho baba. Ngiyathesaba letha sifuna ukuya America. My friend, Sanje hi America. Hi American.
Hey America.
Yebo.
La Swatini mina, ngibona mina. You see me? I see you. Me I'm here.
In
I'm
Swaziland.
here. In
Yes,
Swaziland.
little boy. Ihambe njani show mfana wami? Imnandi. Uthini kuma Americans? Say hi America. Yebo ke. Nguwe phela lokufuna ukubabhala nje. Hey, abona ikhona. So I'll be looking around. Maybe some people would like to say something. Gentlemen, kutela lofuna kukhuluma nje. Noma athi nje hi. Naka iphethe njani wena le show? Yini? Ile show iphethe njani? Nethawutshele ama-Americans uqala uthi sanibonani ma-America. Yes boy, ngicela ukhulume la ke bhuti. Ubatshele bavusele America kuqala. Yes, of course. But ishow ayikabi bad kakhulu. Yes, I'm so happy that these guys are able to speak and comment about the show. Yeah.
We're enjoying that show.
Yeah.
That show is perfect in this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the first time to.
And these guys, they are perfect in performing.
We are here
Yeah,
too,
boy.
guys.
It means ukuthi siya evolve. Yabona, we are going forward. Thank you. Siyabonga guys. Yeah. Uthini mngani wami? Ngingathanda ukuthi manje ubingelele nje uthi hi America. Bavusele America bhuti wami Nkosi yami ngiyacela. Yes bhuti buka lapho uthi nje hi America. Ungathi isho igama lakho uma uthanda. Maybe someone will like to know you there.
Hi America, my name is Mzwandile Mngomezuru.
Yes.
Ngomezuru, hayi
Yeah.
Ngometuru.
Yeah.
Yebo tahlukana letibongo.
Yes.
Ngomezuru.
Yeah.
Sengamgometuru.
Yeah, thank you.
Shoba fethu lona KZN kanti vele nguspitcho the ones
Yes,
lona
yes,
bafethu
yes.
uhamba nemajit akhe la nabo
Yeah.
class naponi
Say
la
fede khambani bomshini hayi mnandi show say enjoy the
Shoba
blind
Yes.
bafethu lana
Danko.
shoba
Yeah.
bafethu lana siphethe infide plate yethu lana bafethu uyasithola bafethu sik interest sonke
Yes,
sikhona
we are
everywhere
all
you
trying,
go
yes.
nguspitcho the ones ngibhoni the face
Yeah.
to blast uyasithola bafethu
Yeah.
Chocho bafethu
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.